shell building. You have completed the drawing of
ये
the
के लिए
building
बोल रही
model.
हूँ।
Now you will learn to apply
फिर
the
एक मैंने
loads
कट्टा
on the
लगेगा
slabs
250
and
500 700
claddings.
रुपये का। हाँ तो
Since
यही
the
तो मैं
dead
बोल रहा
load
हूँ
is
अपन
same in
किसी
all the stories, select the all stories option.
करवा लो, तुमने छुड़वाया था।
Then select all the shells one by one in story 1. If there are no shells in the higher stories of a particular shell, it will not select anything in that area of the higher story. In this way, by selecting the maximum shells in any story, that is 9 in story 1, you are making sure that all the shells from all the stories are selected. After all the shells are selected, go to the Assign menu, choose Shell Loads, click on Uniform. Set the load pattern name to dead. Enter the uniform load value of 2 kN per meter square. Then click on Apply. The dead load of 2 kN per meter square has been applied on all the slabs of the building. Click on OK to exit. Now you will apply the live loads, which are different for different set of stories. So, select similar stories, and select the slabs again. This time, only the slabs of the stories similar to story 1, that is stories 1 to 8, are selected. You can verify that 72 shells are selected. 9 shells in each floor multiplied by 8 floors, gives 72. Hence your selection is correct. Go to Assign, Shell Loads, and click on Uniform. Change the load pattern name to Live. And change the value of the live load to 5. Click on Apply, and then click on OK. The live load has been applied, on stories 1 to 8. Now, go to any of the stories from 9 to 14. Choose similar stories, and select the shells. Then go to the Assign menu, choose Shell Loads, and click on Uniform. Change the live load value to 4.5, and click on Apply. The live load of 4.5 kN per meter square has been applied to the slabs of stories 9 to 14. Click on OK to exit. Similarly, go to any of the stories from 15 to 19. Choose the shells using the Similar Stories option. Verify the count, and assign a live load of 4 kN per meter square, from the Shell Loads option of the Assign menu. Once you are done, go to a story in the last set, that is story 20 to 23. Select the shells, and assign a live load of 3.5 kN per meter square, in a similar manner. The dead loads and the live loads have been applied to all the stories of the building. You will now apply the cladding loads, as you are going to use auto draw cladding. Go to story 1, using the arrow keys. Although the cladding load is same, the external beams are different for different sets of stories, so you cannot select the All Stories option. Choose the Similar Stories option, and carefully select the exterior beams. All the exterior beams, from stories 1 to 8, will be selected. Go to the Assign menu, choose Frame Loads, and click on Distributed. Enter the uniform load value of 0.2 kN per meter, and click on Apply. Click on OK to exit. The cladding loads have been applied to the exterior beams of story 1 to 8. Next, go to one of the stories from 9 to 14. If the Stories option is not displayed, go to the Display menu, and select Undeformed Shape. Select the Similar Stories option now, and select the exterior beams. Once the selection is done, assign the uniform load of 0.2 kN per meter, from the Frame Loads option, using the same procedure as before. Similarly, go to the next set of stories, that is from story 15 to 19. Select the external beams, verify the count, and assign the frame load of 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Next, go to the last set, and repeat the process of selecting the external beams, and assigning the loads. Once you are done, you will need to remove the cladding loads from the beams of the topmost story, as there are no walls above them. Go to the last story, that is story 23. The stories option might not be displayed, so go to the display menu, and select undeformed shape. Select the one story option, then select the external beams of the 23rd story. It should show 6 frames selected, as there are only 6 beams in the top floor. Go to Assign, Frame Loads, and select Distributed. Choose the option Delete Existing Loads, and click on Apply. The cladding loads have been removed from the topmost story. Click on OK to exit. Now go to the base, select the base joints using the one story option. And change them to fixed from the restraints options of the Assign menu. Go to the Draw menu, and select Auto Draw Cladding. Select the Use Floors option, and click on OK. The claddings have been drawn around each floor of the building. In the next part, you will learn to apply the wind loads. Thanks for watching.